Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and remember to hit that notification bell, or if you were on TikTok, go ahead and follow. So what's the worst thing that you found inside of either your computer system, a friend's computer system, or maybe you're a computer service tech? Now those are going to be interesting stories, because if you're out there servicing hundreds and hundreds of computer systems every single year, you're going to discover probably something outrageous. Myself, I've serviced a number of computer systems over the years, but I haven't really found much of anything that was godly or completely whacked or weird. Mostly just tremendous amounts of dust, and people who smoke, of course, dust mixed with cigarette smoke clogging everything up, overheating issues. I did find a big beetle once inside the computer system, some torn up paper that probably got sucked in with the fan or something. But other than that, it's been pretty boring for myself. I really am interested in reading your comments and what you've found inside of either your case, a friend's case, or if you are, like I said, a service tech. I can imagine you guys have a lot of stories to tell. So again, if you like this video, thumb it up, share it, and I'll see you in the next one.